Hi sir, this is the presentation of Group 2 research. Reversible screwdriver. Background of the study. Workers carry too much tools in their workplace. Particular tools are screwdrivers. We innovate the tool with flashlight can be automatically and manually used with two different ends. Slot head and Phillips screwdriver that can make work more safe and fast. This innovative tool is a 3-1 function. This study will improve the use of reversible screwdriver as well as to make work easier and safe. Workers don't need to carry too much tools with them. Flashlight is so useful when working at night. So our background of study is tells about the our tells about our innovation tool reversible screwdriver with three functional types with two kinds of screw head or the Phillips screw and slotted head, and it had a flashlight. The general objectives: design the reversible screwdriver, construct the reversible screwdriver, test and improve the performance of the screwdriver, evaluate and the reversible screwdriver in terms of functional usability test, endurance test, health and safety efficiency, environmental compliance, aesthetic and capacity. Significance of the study: the Faculty of BSIT could use our project as an equipment whenever there is an actual activity on using screwdriver. The project can also give the knowledge about reversible screwdriver and other principles behind it, its process, operation, and construction. The student of BSIT CT, it would be beneficial for the student on gaining knowledge on what and how does the device work and help them for the guidance of related activities, particularly on the principles of science applied this innovation. Future research, the project can help them to have some ideas on making their research study and to guide them for development of the other functionalities that may arise in the future. The research and undertaking will be a good benchmark of how to conceptualize research ideas and its appropriate steps from the beginning of the study to its completion. Construction industry. This innovation would be a good start to come up with useful innovation which can be used by community as well as to apply the applied knowledge to the industry, which in case is the construction industry. Scope and delimitation of the study. This innovation can be used for the educational purposes and also useful device for a small construction to be done at home. The study is delimited for faculty and students of the College of Engineering and Technology and in construction industry. This research study focuses on development skills of students from them to enhance their future jobs. The study is delimited only using screwdriver for demonstrating and constructing ability. Function, functional and usability tests. The reversible screwdriver can screw and unscrew. The reversible screwdriver can be used in dark areas. The reversible screwdriver can be automatically and manually used. The reversible screwdriver can easily kept in pocket. Endurance test. The reversible screwdriver can perform day and night. The reversible screwdriver can perform whole day. The mobile concrete mixer is made of stainless steel with rubber on handle that can resist high voltage. Health and safety. The reversible screwdriver has a cover on both ends. The material used in the reversible screwdriver is not hazardous. Efficiency. The reversible screwdrivers can switch on flashlight. In dark areas, the reversible screwdriver can easily operate by manual. The reversible screwdriver is capable of performing moderate operation. The reversible screwdriver can help lessen the work by switching automatic. Environment compliance. The reversible screwdriver does not produce unpleasant sound. The reversible screwdriver is not harmful to operate. The reversible screwdriver will not use components that is hazardous to surroundings. Aesthetic. The reversible screwdriver is presentable. Capacity determination. The reversible screwdriver can be used up to 45 days without changing batteries. The reversible screwdriver has ability to perform well. Conceptual framework. The input of the study consists of alternative ideas from related literature and studies which is related to our research, supplies, and materials. There are the raw material used including details, equipment use. Review of related studies and literature or RRL. A manual or powered screwdriver's mechanism used for screwing and unscrewing screw. A screwdriver is categorized by its tip, which is designed to match the driving surface on the corresponding screw head, holes, grooves, recesses, and etc. Metal screws and nuts seem to have been used as fastener in the 15th century, although the heads of the screw were turned with a wrench and not a screwdriver. The screw heads were either square or hexagonal. Conceptual model of the study. The throughput of the study involved the development of the project and the process of the research, in which include the proper measurement, speed, and include the physical structure of the project, and also the design, constructing, testing, and revising, and evaluating of the functionality, its acceptability in terms of design and functionality will evaluate and the instructor professor of the Zamboanga City State Polytechnic College. The output of the study is the complete innovative reversible screwdriver or the finished product of our innovation. Research methodology. This chapter includes the project design, project development, supply of materials and cost, tools and equipments, construction, time frame, tryout and revision, as well as the modality of evaluation. The project design is as you see in the screen, and the material that we need to make our innovation is battery, stainless steel, rubber, switch, wire, small dynamos, and small flashlight. Project development. The study followed the step-by-step process of flow on making the reversible screwdriver. Planning stage is when a blueprint of the final design were made to have a guide of the exact measurements of the dimension of the materials to be used and the placement of the component parts in innovative and reversible screwdriver. Estimating the cost of materials needed and the other expenses of process on making the device. Laying out wherein the related materials were laid out carefully according to its specific dimension, afterwards followed by the materials. Preparation of materials wherein needed so that it easy to check the equipment of construction device. Constructing is the process of combining the materials, is the exact part that is needed on the device, welding of the cut materials to form the structural frame, and also the other related parts were needed to be joined according to its design and fabricating. Painting the finished device, it is the related components part so that it will work neat and presentable. Installing of components on a constructual frame to make ready the final output based on a blueprint. Testing and evaluating the stage wherein a complete device was tested and evaluated by instructor of Zamboanga City State Polytechnic College to determine the functionality of the reversible screwdriver. Materials and cost. 3 pieces of battery, unit cost 39 per battery, and the total cost of battery is 117 peso. 1 piece of stainless steel, unit cost 70 pesos, total cost 70 peso. 1 piece of rubber, 29 peso of unit cost and 29 peso of total cost. 1 piece of switch and unit cost of 19 and a total cost of 19 also. 1 piece of wire, 13 peso unit cost and 13 peso total cost. One piece of small dynamo, 89 peso, and the unit cost, and 89 peso total cost. One piece of small flashlight, 59 peso unit cost, and the total cost also is 59 peso. So the total value of our innovation tool is 396 peso. And that's all, sir. Thank you.